You know what time it is? It's time to skin it. Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Extreme Skin product review video. Yeah, we are definitely going to skin the Google Pixel 8a. Huge shout out to XtremeSkins. They sent me all of these skins to choose from. I will show you all of these skins individually. I will edit in the name of these skins, all the information to purchase an Extreme Skin will be down below in the description area. Trust me when I say there are way more than what you see right here. Many different pattern designs, textures, colors. They got it all, not just for your smartphone, but other tech as well. What you will need for this install is a micro cloth, alcohol prep wipe, and I have myself here a little rubbery pad to help keep the Google Pixel 8a in place. XtremeSkins will send you the alcohol prep wipe. You will have to provide all the other items there, and we will be using a blow dryer. Please never let the hot air sit in one place when blowing hot air onto your device. You want to move it around. You want to get the adhesive on the back of the skin nice and warm so it will adhere. It will stick to the back of your Google Pixel 8a. Again, never let the heat sit in one place. Okay, because that could damage your smartphone and your skin, but more importantly, your smartphone. So however you want to do it, like that, like this, whatever, man, just move it around.
Before we continue, let me show you what the skins came in. XtremeSkins Precision Style Protection. We have a website, www.extremeskins.co.uk. Yes, this company is out of the UK, so please give them a few extra days of delivery. Best time to put in a skin order is on Monday. That way, most likely you'll have it by the weekend. Thank you for your order. You are awesome. You can scan the QR code there so you can watch a video on how to apply the skin. Now you received your skin. Apply it, snap it, share it. Problem with your order, please contact the team via email info@extremeskins.co.uk. Quote in your order number. Save on your next order. 20% off your next order. Use code FLYER20. And on the back, got some more information there. As you can see here, there are many different ways to follow XtremeSkins on all of these social media platforms.
Okay. Let's speed up the video a little bit, turn up the music, get a good look at the skins that were sent to me, and begin the process. That right there, folks, is bold. You got the white waveform skin covering the camera bar area and the G logo there for Google. Top and bottom area, back area of the Google Pixel 8a, we got the matte textured royal blue skin. Yeah, that is just fresh. Yeah, gets the whistle. I am going to be throwing on the Ringke Fusion Google Pixel 8a clear case. Live a better day. And I'm going to tell you right now, you're definitely going to live a better day knowing you got protection for your investment. With this clear case, you get a 3-in-1. Clear to see the skin, the back of the case to press up against the skin to help the sticking process, and you get protection. Yeah, that's a 3-in-1 right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this packaging. Huge shout out to Ringke for sending me this case, and there's a little pamphlet in here. Ringke accessories, 20% off for your next purchase over at Amazon. Just follow those instructions. Anytime you can save money, that's a thumbs up. Take advantage of that. And you get a little pamphlet here that helps you or guide you to remove the protective film that is on the back of the case and on the inside of the case. So let's go ahead and do that now, just like that. Just like that. All right, that looks really, really nice. Up top, recessed area for the combo earpiece and speaker. Plenty of lip surrounding the 8A AMOLED display. Plus, we have a tempered glass screen protector on the back. Huge cutout for the camera area there. Got some depth and lip. Also with the camera flash, we got some depth there protecting that area. As far as purchasing those items, that'll be down below in the description area, along with the Ringke case here and the XtremeSkins website. Volume rocker, power button, nicely covered up. You actually have this rich textured design on that power button, so you can definitely feel the difference between the power button and the volume rocker. All right. Nice and responsive. Power button, nice and responsive. Cut out for the speaker grill, USB Type-C charging port, and the bottom mic. They're all nicely exposed and protected. Up top, you have a little cutout there for the top mic. So the lip on the front of the display is going to protect. On a flat surface, a little bit rough, especially if you're sporting a tempered glass screen protector, but anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. The only bad thing that can happen is you're going to scratch up that tempered glass screen protector, but that's what it's for. On the back, with the huge cutout and depth lip going on there for the flash camera area, that's going to be good on a flat surface, a little bit rough. Anything rougher than that, it's your discretion. All right, wireless charging, really quick. Let's just do that, and then we'll end the video. Bam. Just like that. All right, everything you need will be down below in the description area. And remember, there's going to be a lot more over at the XtremeSkins website. Give them about a week to deliver. They're coming out of the UK. Yeah, but do some shopping, man. There's a lot to shop for and see what you come away with. Yeah, I am digging it, man. That's just bold. That right there is bold. If there's any questions, please ask. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss videos like this. XtremeSkins, huge shout out to you for giving me the opportunity to represent Ringke as well. Again, that right there, come on now. Wow. All right, I'm done talking. God bless. Peace.